Hey, my name is Bill. Today it's all about remembering those nice warm days of summer. You know, as winter approaches and the days get shorter and it gets cooler out, I don't go out and grill. I'm like, I don't like grilling in the dark with a flashlight. Done it before. And it's just not a great day to be sitting out there. Of course I complain when it's 100 degrees too. But what I do in the summer is I'll grill up some Johnsonville sausage. I like the garlic ones the best if you can find them. I just like the flavor of the garlic, and this is a good example of why. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these sausages that I had in the freezer, I've thawed them. You can partially thaw them, you don't have to be completely, but I just had them out for a day so I know that they're thawed. And I've got some Bavarian sauerkraut. It's got the caraway seeds in it. And I'm just going to pile some on top, just like you were making your little sandwich here. Probably have a little too much, but that's okay. I can eat the leftovers. So I didn't really squeeze out the liquid. I just kind of strained it out with a fork because I need some liquid to kind of soak in and fuse into the sausage to bring it back to life. And when these are done, they're going to taste just as good as they did when you took them off the grill. And they'll be really, really happy. And I'm going to show you some tricks when I get this all out. How to make it even better. Alright, so I've got this. Simply going to throw it in my preheated 325 degree oven. And like I said, 15-20 minutes, you're going to hear it, you're going to see it. They're going to plump up again, just like they did when you were grilling. And let me tell you, I'm really excited to see what these look like when they come out. And of course, more excited to eat one. So we'll be right back in a minute. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. I can see that the sauerkraut's just starting to get a little dried out on the very edges. The sausage is nice and plump. It absorbed a lot of the fluid from the sauerkraut, so it's going to have some good taste to it. So I'm going to let that sit there for a second. So this is one of my favorite things to do. So I buy these hoagie rolls. They work really well because they're just about the size, but they're a little wider. So you can put all the stuffing in there that you want. So I'm just going to take one of these rolls out here. I don't always slice them real well, so sometimes I have to give them a little help. There we go. So one of the tricks that I do is I don't want all that juice from the sauerkraut to soak through my bun and have it fall apart. Have you ever had the back side of your bun fall apart? So I take some slices of Swiss cheese because I love Swiss cheese. I'm just going to line it in here. Look how easy it is. Now we got a water barrier. Microwave it just for about 20 seconds on a medium-low heat. Just basically I'm looking for it just to start to bubble. It's also if the rolls were a little stale. These are probably like 2 days old, so they're okay. But if it's a little stale, it's just going to kind of fluff it up a little bit. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Perfect. So it's just a little softened. So now what I want to do, I'm just going to dig in here and find myself a piece of sausage. Oh yeah, see, nice and plump. Don't want to make a mess. Usually do. And I just want to steal some of the sauerkraut. I know the bun flipped the wrong way, so you can't see it. I'll turn around here in a second. Alright, so I got my sausage in here. Like I said, now the bun's protected, it's not going to get all soft and watered up. So, last but not least, I'm going to take me some sweet yellow onion. Put some on here. And last but not least, if you watch my shows, I did a show where I did pork sandwiches, pulled pork sandwiches, and this is my mustard that I make. It's like a South Carolina barbecue sauce. Basically, this stuff is it's just wonderful. Give a little stripe there. Don't want to kill the flavor of the sausage. Right there, you got it. It's a perfect sausage. Warm you up, make you think about how lovely it is to be grilling out in the winter or in the summer and being able to enjoy it in the winter. And I've got some onions, sauerkraut. Don't forget Bavarian sauerkraut's better, and my special mustard sauce. Real easy to prepare. You can go watch some TV while it's in the oven. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoy it, because I'm going to enjoy this a whole lot. Remember, I want you to subscribe, ring the bell, and make some comments. I really appreciate comments and always like a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a great night.